Hello and welcome to Skytech TV, and in today's episode I want to show you how you can convert a Word document into a PDF file. Sometimes you need to send some file with PDF format, but you don't know how you can convert it. And here I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document into a PDF without using the internet. And the very first thing is to open your document in Word, then go to File, then come here, click Save As, then click the location you want to save your document. Then down here below you'll find there's a place named file name and save as type. So in this save as type, you will see there are many formats that you can choose, but as we want the PDF format, so you come and click the PDF and then choose the location in which you want your document to be saved, then you save. Waited for it to load. As it is saved, now you can see it's opening, and it's opening in using the Nitro Pro, which is a PDF viewer. And as you can see, our file is in PDF now. And also, if you come and click on the properties of our saved file, you'll find that it has the properties of a PDF. Type of file is a PDF document. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel. This is Skytech TV.